Hello everyone. So today's lecture is based on the solution of the test that we have taken. Okay, so let's start. First question says that dimension m1 l minus 1 t minus 2 may correspond to. So first option is work. We know that dimension of work is ml square t minus 2, so it is not our right option. For linear momentum, it is m1 l1 t minus 1, that is also not true. Pressure is force upon area है ना. So force upon, when do we force upon area, then we get ml minus 1 t minus 2, so pressure is the right option. Second question says, given that v is equals to a plus bt, where v is the velocity and a and b are constants, then the dimensions of a and b will be equal to. So in this type of question, always remember that each set will have equal dimension. Each set will have equal dimension. That means v, dimension of v will be equal to dimension of a will be equal to dimension of bt, both combined, है ना. So we will say dimension of v is velocity, so dimension of velocity is what, l1 t minus 1 na. So if it is having dimension of l1 t minus 1, then dimension of a will be same and dimension of b will become l1 t minus 2. So it has become acceleration, this one is become velocity. So velocity and acceleration will be our B will be our answer. Light year is a unit of distance, obviously. Find the value of cos 510. So cos 510, how do we solve that? First of all, cos, divide it in first of all we have to divide it in uh, uh, we have to break it in simple form so that we can find out na. So first of all we will do what, we know the value of 360 है ना, and after 360 if we add in 19 it, then it becomes 450. So we can say, sir, it is 450 plus 60 degree, 450 plus 60 degree, or 450 comes in what quadrant. Suppose that one circle is completed, then it has covered 360 degree, then we have gone to 90 degree more. Here it is 450 degree, and after that it is covering 60 degree more. This is 60 degree more, so it is coming in second quadrant na. So we know that if this one is odd, this one is odd multiple of the 90 degree, then what will we do, we change the function. Cos will change in sine, and the remaining will be like this, sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60? It is under root 3 by 2. So answer will be root 3 by 2, that is D. And the sign will be positive, it should be positive, not negative. uh, it should be positive, not negative na? Because it is coming in second quadrant. So A S T C, oh sorry, it will be negative because here only sine and cosec will be positive, sine and cosec will be positive, so our answer is D. Integrate x square plus sin x. So let's see, x square plus sin x. So when we'll do integration of x square, we will get x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. हम क्या करते हैं, पावर में एक ऐड करते हैं और डिवाइड कर देते हैं उसी से. सिमिलरली sin x will be integrated as minus cos x and plus constant, so it will become x cube by 3 minus sin x and plus constant c. So where it is, answer is, sorry, cos x, it's cos x. Okay. Calculate the value of tan pi by 2 plus 45. So pi by 2 plus 45 comes in second quadrant. We will say that tan pi by 2 plus 45 comes in second quadrant. Here pi by 2 is there, so the function will change into cot, and second quadrant is there, then sign will be negative. So cot 45, it comes in value is -1. So this will be our answer. Evaluate I is equals to 1 by x cosec x into cot x. So it's simple, we can directly solve it. Integration of 1 by x is log x base e or natural log x minus cosec x and cot x, its integration is cosec x. So it's a simple, log x minus cosec x will be our answer. Differentiate y is equal to e to the power x plus cos square x. So we will say, sir, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e to the power x plus cos square x, cos square x है ना. So what we can do, e to the power x हमने बताया था ढीठ फंक्शन है, इट डजंट चेंज, सो इट विल रिमेन द सेम. एंड व्हाट अबाउट कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स. सो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे स्क्वायर आ रहा है तो स्क्वायर का करेंगे हम 2 कॉस एक्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाई कॉस का करेंगे, ये हो जाएगा माइनस का साइन एक्स. सो इट विल बिकम e to the power x माइनस ऑफ साइन 2x, साइन 2x. ये क्या किसका फॉर्मूला है, 2 cos x sin x, ये sin 2x का फॉर्मूला. तो इट विल बिकम e to the power x minus of sin 2x. got it. Next question, a man has to go 50 meter due north, 40 meter due east, 20 meter due south to reach the field. Calculate what is the distance he has to walk and the displacement. So first of all let's draw the diagram. Suppose that this is north direction है ना. So first of all what is doing, okay, let me clear it. Now we have said that this is north direction. Now he is saying man is going 50 meter due north. Okay, let's go 50 meter due north, then 40 meter due east, east will come on the right, this is 40 meter, and 20 meter due south, from here it is going 20 meter. Now what is the distance, so distance is equals to, distance will be equals to 50 plus 40 plus 20, that is 60 plus 1 60 plus 50, that is 110 meter. Okay, it is 110 meter. And what will be the displacement, displacement will be the shortest distance, this dotted line we are drawing, this will be the okay. So this is the displacement. So we can see that it is becoming a right angle triangle है ना. So when we'll subtract 20 from 50, it will become 30, this side will become 40, so obviously it will become 50 meter. So we get our displacement as 50 meter. Got it. Okay, so long questions are there, we will solve it in next question, next video. Okay, till then have a nice day.